Yo, what's going on, guys? Kieran Can't Yo here, back in another yo-yo tutorial. In today's tutorial, I've got this super sweet like wrist mount entrance and then exit for you. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. Obviously, that's supposed to be the entrance. Oh, there we go. Here's the dismount. Little green triangle for you. Anyway, sweet. Two things before we get into this video. I'm going to be using the Deviant Plus for this tutorial, which I'm hopefully going to be using at SRC and hopefully winning with it. And this video is obviously sponsored by yoyo UK, so you can head over to their website and use code Kieran5 for 5% off. Okay, sweet. Let's get into the tutorial. So to start off with, you're obviously going to land into just a basic trapeze like so, and then pinch with either your thumb or your middle finger. I like to do it with my middle finger, but it's really up to you. Okay, anyway, from that pinch with your thumb and middle finger, you're going to roll off and then roll around once to create like this loop with your hand, like so. And then the same direction you're going to go again, but this time you're going to get this string even, to go over top of the yo-yo like so. I know that seems complicated, so we'll go over that one more time. So anyway, yeah, pinch, and then you're rolling. I think for you it's going to be counterclockwise, I think. Yeah, so roll counterclockwise once, then twice, and then you should be able to land into the gap of the yo-yo like so. From here you're going to roll once, and then you're going to reject the yo-yo out of the back like so, and then you're going to turn it around so that you could almost like roll into a wrist mount there. From here you're going to whip that string off, hoping to create like a mount like this, where there's just a string hovering, and then you could see where you would just roll into the wrist mount. Right, I don't know if that made sense, but yeah, so you reject out the back and then unroll, so as to create like these string like floating, and then the yo-yo able just to roll in like so. Anyway, from this wrist mount, that's like the entrance. So to exit from the wrist mount, you're gonna grab this string with your index and this string with your pinky, and then roll it round the front and land it into the back. Okay, this should create like a whip, like so. And what you can do with that whip is, if you grab this string with your non-throw hand index finger like so, you can throw the slack out and land on that string into a green triangle. Now I must admit, this trick looks a lot harder than it actually is, like every element. But with this element, I think the key is to only grab that string once you've released, and then just keeping like separated these strings, so you only land on the front one, and then you can obviously bind from that green triangle. Yeah, that's the whole trick. So I think we'll go over this trick one more time, and then you can be on your merry little way. Okay, so trapeze, pinch, double roll into the gap of the yo-yo, unroll, reject out the back and whip off, roll into a wrist mount, grab with your index finger and ring finger, pull around, and then triangle. Then you can pop, bind, and now you can be on your merry way. Obviously I'll include some slow-mos at the end of this video for you, and yeah, if you've enjoyed the tutorial, leave a like, subscribe obviously, and peace.